Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Well, today you see something different. And I am going to reveal the winner of the 950 beautiful wildflowers. But first, I want to have a heart-to-heart with you. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Yep, it's still me. And I know this is a huge shock for some of you. It's a huge shock and having to get used to things with me. And, you know, I really struggled with myself. And I really had to speak with people that I trusted or I trust, I should say, because I still trust them. And, you know, one of the main person was my husband, who is so very understanding and loving at every turn. And one of the things that I want to share with you is that, of course, you see no scarf, and of course there's a sun coming in at a wrong time while I'm trying to record this and distracting me. But anyway, yeah, well, you know, the reason why I kept my hijab on for so long is because I didn't want to be another YouTuber taking off my hijab. And, you know, because some people will say they'll be influenced, right? And I don't want to be the wrong influence, but at the same time I have to be true to myself and true to my beautiful wildflowers, because I am no longer wearing a headscarf at work, and for the reasons that I've shared with you in the past, little bits and pieces. And, you know, my career came to a dead standstill. And a lot of bad things happened, okay? And I don't want to go into very much details into that, because I still feel that all those things needed to happen to bring me to where I am today. And one of the things is that when I used to think about when I first converted, or when I found my path into Islam, is that, you know, this is the right path. And I know in my heart, deep down, it is my right path. And I used to wish that some things would be different, or some things would change, some permanent things. And, you know, to be transparent, like I have a couple of tattoos, and, you know, I would dream that I would wake up with it gone. And these are the things that I really deeply wished for. And I shouldn't, because I came to a point now where those are the things, if anything changed in my past, I may not be where I am today. I may not be doing my 5 daily prayers, fasting on Ramadan, and giving to charity and volunteering, doing all those things that I'm doing, the 5 pillars. And so I started to think, you know, I allow people to judge me for who I am, because I have to give them permission to really truly affect me, right? And I decided not to. And the reason why, let me go back to the important part, that I didn't want to do this, especially on camera, especially to YouTube as a creator, is because I didn't want to falsely influence people. And I want, you know, there's a lot of young women out there who don't want to wear the scarf. But, you know, the thing is, if I was a young woman in school, I definitely would keep it 100%. And I know this in my heart, because I don't have the requirement of supporting a family or supporting myself and providing, right? And so, I mean, that's a big deal. And there's a lot of people out there that say, well, you know, you should, this is just this world, and you should worry about the next world. I am worried about the next world. And, you know, depression and all the things that can go on with trying to support your family and not moving anywhere in the career for one reason that you can totally change. I mean, that's not the right thing. But if I was at home with my parents and, you know, they were feeding me, clothing me, sending me to school, things would be different. Okay, things would be different. And if you're in that situation, why take off the scarf, right? Why? You might have good reasons, and I mean, your reasons are yours, but I mean, for myself, I wouldn't have. And, you know, I thought I would be really, really super sad. And I kind of am, because when I first took off my scarf and started interviewing for jobs, I mean, I felt different. I felt my old self come back, which I'm a strong woman. You know, I'm fully educated. I have a graduate degree, and I specialize in a very unique part of healthcare. And so I knew my skills were needed, yet I wasn't able to. I mean, I went all the way to Connecticut, guys, for an interview. I was screened on the phone, spoke with several people, and they actually paid for my trip there, but they didn't see me until I got there. And I have my scarf, and the look on the vice president's face when she first saw me, because she was the first one I ever met, and the face, I mean, it just gave it away. She could not hide it. She couldn't hide it. I know she didn't intend to give that reaction, but the look on her face said it all. And the only thing could have been because I was wearing a scarf and dressed like a Muslim. And so, yeah, and that was the first point that I said, wait a minute, could that be the reason? And, you know, I searched and looked and interviewed for so many jobs, and I got through all of the screenings. My resume, my CV actually speaks for itself, right? And so I had to make the change because I knew I needed to get out where I was, because I was never going to move forward there. And so it was kind of really sad, because I actually joined a organization I was with previously prior to putting on a hijab. Well, I converted while I was working there, and things just really changed for me. And so, yeah. And anyway, the reason why I want to talk to you guys is because during the day when I go to work, I look like this. Well, except for with makeup. I just woke up, actually. And so, yeah. And, you know, before I, you know, started that job, I got a haircut. You know, I don't color my hair, obviously. So, you know, I just look like this. And I don't know. I think this company, to be honest with you, would have accepted me because they are huge in diversity, and it is just such a super good company. But I just couldn't step back into it and take a chance again. And so, yeah. So this is why you see me this way. But it was, you know, I still may not post this. I'm recording this, and I still may not post it, because I don't know, you know, I'm meeting with a friend today, actually. My husband and I are meeting with actually a couple friend. And this will be the first time I, you know, meet them without a hijab. And of course, she wears a hijab, but we trust them because they're the type of people that would accept us regardless. And I thought I would have a chat with her and, you know, get her thoughts on it. And they're very special people. And we're going to go and share some coffee and some things like that, and some pastries. And I haven't seen their little girl because of COVID in so long. I saw her as an infant, which was first born. And so, yeah, I'm going to enjoy it. And, you know, I'm going to talk to her, and, you know, it is what it is. But I know she will never judge me. She's the sweetest woman in the world. And, yeah, it is what it is. But, yeah, guys, here it is. And I mean, if anybody's watching out there that does wear the scarf, and this is not a permission, guys, this is not a permission. You have your own situations, and this should not be used as evidence of why you should remove it. Please don't. And this is a reason why I'm not putting it on the thumbnail, because I don't want people to click on it just to see that. This is for me to share with my beautiful wildflowers, and that's it. I'm not looking for additional clicks. I'm not looking for additional viewers. And so you'll be a little bit confused a little bit, because my thumbnail will have definitely my hijab picture. And also, I recorded a few videos already ahead of time. So in the future, you're going to see a couple of more that's still left over. And so now I didn't go back to putting it back on. It was pre-recorded, okay? So I just wanted to say that. Don't be confused. Anyway, yeah. Tell me what you think. Tell me your thoughts, and, you know, be open. I respect your, you know, be respectful though, you know, and I'll respect your opinion. I always will. You are an individual. You have the right to have an opinion, and I have the right to understand it. And the thing is, though, I'm not one of those people that try to change other people's opinions. Opinions are opinions, and I don't need to change anybody's opinions, right? So, yeah. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want to give you who the winner is, and I did find another app that can do it. So it looks a little different. It just jumps to the winner. It doesn't do the scrolling through the names. but that's the best I could do right now, guys. And I hope I did right YouTube through Facebook, which was weird how I had to do that. But yeah, so hopefully they'll get back to me and things will be better. So let's go to commercial break. Okay, guys, I know you guys must watch the other video that said I was struggling and I could not get them to pick a comment, and I think I got ahead and I inserted that video, the footage actually, but I was able to find something called YouTube Random Picker, and it did pick up 53 comments. So far so good. I don't know how this thing works, you guys, but this is for the 950 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway. I don't know if the name is just gonna pop up or if it's gonna do, you know, those extra rolling around, but let's give it a try because I want to pick a winner. Okay, so there was 53 comments, and a comment was Milestone, and it's from the January 31st video. So here is the winner for the 950 Beautiful Wildflower giveaway. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Gail McAfee. It just popped right up there. It didn't do anything special, did it? It says, Happy Mask Monday, Alexis. I always start my day with a smile and a big bear hug from my husband. Congratulations to your winner. And that was for the Mask Monday. Can't believe you're so close to your 950 milestone. Yay. Thanks for sharing behind the scenes with you and your mask. Why are there flaps on the eyes of the sheep mask? I remember that. I think I responded to you, I hope. So anyway, congratulations, Gail. And let's see. Let's go ahead and see if you are subscribed to me. So I'm going to have to go to that comment, I think. How will I do that now? It doesn't give me that. That's a good question, right? And let's see. Does it give me a link? No. But what I will have to do is go to my YouTube and find it and look that way. And so it was the January 31st. Let's look for the comments. And okay, it's because I have it filtered. And let's see, Gail, there's 53 of them, so I hope you're not like at the very bottom. Oh, no, you're right up top. And here we go. And you have been publicly subscribed to me for 7 months. You guys see that right there? It says right here, allows everyone to see their subscriptions. So congratulations, Gail. And back to regular programming where I will go ahead and tell you what to do next. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, back we go. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers, and congratulations, Gail. Well done, and you are the winner of the 950 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway. But guess what? You noticed this morning I was at 961. Not sure if I'm going to hold there, but soon I will be launching the big one, which is the 1,000 Beautiful Wildflowers. That may take a while, so I may just wait until I get to about 975, 980 before I launch it, because I don't want you guys to wait too long for that, right? So anyway, Gail, you know the drill. Go ahead and reach out to me via Instagram or my email, which is below in the details, the very last thing, so you don't have to be digging through all of my verbiages, okay? And to get in touch with me within 48 hours, send me your address, and I will be happy to ship it to you. And as you all know, I do ship on the weekends, so it'll have to be next weekend when I get to the post office, okay? And let's see, what else? And I will start putting together the 1,000 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway, and I will open it internationally for gift card only. Okay, so if you're international, you can go ahead and you know, be part of it, but you will get a gift card, an e-card, and I'll have to figure out what is an international gift card where you can use it. So if you guys know, help me out here. Which one's is Sephora? Because I was thinking Sephora, I was thinking Amazon, whatever. But so if an international person does win, it will have to be an e-card, because shipping a box this size is going to be like crazy expensive. And because of restrictions, sometimes depending on where you are, it won't even get to you. Okay, so, and I also need to decide if it's going to be one winner or two winner. So yeah, I'm going to work all that out. But anyway, for now, all of the details of the giveaway will be below. It's not going to change, other than the fact that I need to add there that it will be open to international subscribers or international Beautiful Wildflowers in a form of an e-gift card. Okay. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm going to scoot over here because there should be a little button. Well, there's one like that down there. All you have to do is hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and select all so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend, whenever you're watching this, and it does not matter. But what does matter, though, is in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Guys, I'm really freaked out right now because, yeah, this is so new. Even though I'm not wearing a headscarf out there, I mean, this, I don't know, it's different, you know? And I hope you guys aren't disappointed. And, you know, that's what I was thinking. I don't want to disappoint anybody. And, yeah, and also, what am I going to do with my intro? The intro can stay, you know, because this is who I am in my heart, right? And so I may go ahead and update the intro, maybe not. The thing is, I don't want to have beautiful wildflowers subscribing because I'm not wearing a headscarf, you know what I mean? And you guys joined me for who I am and knowing who I am, and I really love that about you guys. You guys are my true friends, and you know, it's hard, you know, it really is hard. And I was thinking, I'm getting all these messages, sorry. I was thinking, you know, maybe I won't upload this, but I have a feeling I will. And if not, it'll be my secret, right? Okay. All right, enough of that. So I love you guys. And thank you so much for being with me through it all. Okay? And I'll see you soon. Love you all.